Hello everyone. So here is another gele tutorial. So you can tie this gele to your Owambe parties and you can tie it to church, and it's very easy. The joining of this gele is by 3 line. The joining is by 3 lines. So and the ratio for this gele is by 80-20. One hand has to be longer than the other hand. Just look at the way I'm creating my pleats. I created like 5 pleats there. Then I'm extending the pleats to the side. Make sure you extend your pleats very nicely. So now I'm extending the pleats. Doing the same thing here also. I'm extending the pleats. So now I'll be crossing it at the back. So the longer hand will be under, while the shorter hand will be on top, because we are bringing the longer hand back to the front. So just look at how I continue creating pleats now. So I'll first create like 4 or 5 pleats before I start creating like fan. I'm still creating pleats. So I'm extending the pleats now. So now I'm like creating fan now. I will extend it also now. Create pleat, extend it, create pleat, extend it. So that is how we'll be doing it, like so. So now I want to extend it. So I'm creating the pleat again, creating fan, sorry. I'm extending it now. Creating fan. So now I want to like pack the rest of the hand. I'm not creating all the fan. I'm not doing that. So I'm just adjusting it. I tell my model to hold that side for me. Then the excess hand now, I'll be like rolling it. But before rolling it, I'll be picking the pleats like that. Before I'll now roll it. So now I'm rolling it. So I'll be tying it with the other hand now. Just make sure you tight it firm very well. So here is the back. So I'm coming back to the front now to adjust it. I'm adjusting it now. Be using office pin to pin the excess. I'll be using office pin to pin it down there. So I'm adjusting the plates and the fan, sorry. I'm adjusting it. So that is it. If you have any question, do let me know. Do let me know if you have any question. So that is it about the gele. Do let me know if you have any question. So I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.